Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. This is Vamshi back with another yummy recipe that is vegetable rice. This is a very easy, simple and a basic vegetable rice recipe which need only 20 minutes to make. You can make it as dinner, lunch or lunch for your kids. So without any further delay, I'm going to jump into the recipe. So in a bowl, I've taken 1 cup of water, or else you need to fill the bowl totally, and here I'm gonna add 1 cup of whole grain basmati rice. So you need to soak the rice before you cook it. After 1 hour in a vessel, taking 3 cups of water, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil into it. This is sunflower oil, guys. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt to it. You need to boil the water on high flame, keeping a top on it. Then when it boils like this, you need to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it. By adding lemon juice, you'll get a very good textured rice and your rice will enlarge. At this point, you need to add your soaked basmati rice, keeping the flame into medium high. Now you need to cook the rice on medium high flame till it get 80% done. So when it get 80% done, you need to drain it using a strainer. That's it. After you drain, immediately you need to add ice chill water, guys. This is a very crucial step, that is a very important step, and you just shake a little bit to drain off excess water. Then in our vessel, like in the pan, I'm gonna add oil. Then I'm gonna add some onions. You can also use scallions. Then some carrots, chopped carrots into cubes. You need to cook them a little bit for some 30 to 40 seconds. So then some bell peppers, green bell peppers, some cabbage, and you need to add some beans. So you need to cook all these vegetables till the rawness of that goes. Then you need to add half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Then you need to cook it until the ginger and garlic raw bitterness goes. And you need to add half teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Then you need to mix it till all the sauces get mixed into the vegetables. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Again, mix it for around 30 to 40 seconds. So meanwhile, you can actually follow me on Instagram. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to balance out all the flavors. And I'm going to add rice. Cook the rice on medium flame only, guys. If you keep high flame, your rice will get burned off. Then add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then mix it and cook it for 2 minutes or so, and that's it. Your vegetable rice is ready to eat. So if you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do try it, like my video and subscribe my channel for videos. Thank you.